Okay, so here I am with a cool product which I specifically asked for from SyncWire because I needed to set up our studio. You want to keep all your wires and all that kind of stuff organized nicely, and I saw these wire clips. These are the mini clips. This is a 5-pack. Let's open them up. I'll show you what they're like, and I'll tell you why I chose them. Look at this. This is a fabulous set, and it comes with all of the different ones you need. They're nice neutral gray rubber, about to fall out so you can see them. This is an individual one. That's what it looks like. So it has a 3M adhesive on it. You put it wherever you want it to go. Whoop, I lost one. And then you just tuck your wire in there and you can organize it. So the beauty of it is, let me pick the one I just dropped. Look, this one holds 5 wires. So like if you're like me and you have a ton of hard drives on your desk and you want to organize those wires so that it doesn't look like a rat's nest of wires, this is perfect. So as I said, it comes with a 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, and the 1 in the one set. And I feel a little like, aren't these a little like the little Battleship pieces? You know, you get a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and you got to hide them. But we're not playing Battleship. We're playing Set Up the Doug and Nikki Studio. This is awesome. Definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score.